Samsung is back, and this time, it's not just another product refresh, it's something bigger. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is more than an update, it's a clear message. A message that Samsung is ready to lead in the world of Android tablets. Everything about this device says it's been carefully rethought. The way it looks, the way it performs, and even how it feels in your hands, right from the start, the design stands out. At first glance, it feels familiar, but look a bit closer, and you'll see the changes. They're subtle, but they matter. The front notch is the first thing you'll notice. It's still there, yes, but it's smaller, cleaner, and more refined. It doesn't demand your attention anymore. It blends in, allowing the screen content to be the focus. The bezels, they're thinner too. That means more screen without making the whole device bigger. Whether you're reading an article, watching a video, or drawing with the S Pen, you'll feel more immersed. It's a display that pulls you in, and speaking of the front, there's a big change in the camera setup. The Tab S10 Ultra had a dual camera in front, but now the S11 Ultra is rumored to go with just one. Sounds like a step back, maybe not. Samsung may have decided to simplify the look while making that one camera even more powerful. Some whispers even suggest an under-display camera. If true, it would be a huge step forward in seamless design, no cutouts. Just pure screen, flip the tablet over, and the improvements continue. The back still looks clean and high-end, with a vertically aligned dual camera system. But one small detail stands out: the S Pen. On the S10 Ultra, the pen sat in a pill-shaped groove that stuck out a bit. This time, it's different. The S Pen now fits more snugly into the back. It sits almost flush with the surface. It looks neater and likely holds more securely. It also means fewer chances of wear and tear over time. It's the kind of tweak you only notice when using the device daily, but it makes a difference. The material is still top tier. Samsung sticks with a brushed matte aluminum body. It's strong, cool to the touch, and feels premium. This time, though, the finish is slightly smoother. That might help reduce fingerprints, or just make it more pleasant to hold. Again, a small change, but all these tweaks add up. Now, let's talk about what Samsung is best known for: the display. And here, the S11 Ultra doesn't disappoint. It comes with a 14.8-inch AMOLED panel. That's huge. It's almost the size of a laptop screen, but packed into a much lighter and sleeker form. AMOLED means colors are rich, blacks are deep, and contrast is incredible. Whether you're watching a movie, editing a photo, or simply scrolling through social media, the visuals will impress. And yes, the refresh rate stays at 120 Hz. That means silky smooth motion. No lag when scrolling. Games feel more responsive, animations glide. It even reduces eye strain when you're staring at the screen for hours. Combined with that large canvas and beautiful colors, it creates one of the best screen experiences in any tablet, Android or otherwise. But perhaps the biggest surprise is under the hood. For years, Samsung used Snapdragon chips in its top tablets, but this time, they're switching it up. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is expected to run on the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus. That's a bold move. MediaTek has made major leaps in recent years, and this chip is meant to go head-to-head with the best from Qualcomm. It promises speed, efficiency, and excellent AI performance. Why the switch? There could be many reasons. Maybe Samsung wants to try something new. Maybe the Dimensity chip offers better thermal control or longer battery life. Maybe it handles AI features more effectively. Whatever the reason, it shows that Samsung trusts MediaTek with one of its most important devices, and if early benchmarks are any clue, that trust could pay off. Backing the chip is 12 GB of RAM. That's a lot of memory, enough to keep multiple apps running without slowdowns. You can jump from editing a document to playing a game to watching a video, all at once, and it should stay smooth. Storage starts at 256 GB. That's already plenty. But what's even better is the return of microSD support. Yes, it's still here. That means you can expand your storage with a card, perfect for creatives or professionals who store lots of large files. Now let's look at battery life. The S11 Ultra is rumored to carry between 11,200 and 11,800 milliamp hours of battery power. That's more than its predecessor, and paired with better chip efficiency, it should offer long hours of use, even with the big screen. Whether you're streaming content, sketching, working, or gaming, you won't need to keep the charger nearby. And when you do need a top-up, for 5W fast charging will come in handy. You'll get back to full power quickly and get on with your day. The software is another area getting attention. The tablet is expected to launch with Android 16 with Samsung's One UI 8 on top. One UI has always focused on improving how we use large screens. With version 8, Samsung is likely bringing even better multitasking tools. Think smarter split screen, better floating windows, more powerful S Pen shortcuts. Samsung DeX is also expected to return. This feature turns your tablet into a desktop experience when plugged into a screen, at a keyboard and mouse, and you've got a full mobile workstation. For professionals on the move, it's a powerful option. Security, as usual, stays top-notch. The in-display fingerprint scanner will likely return, fast, reliable, and secure. Face recognition via the front camera is also expected, so you'll have options for unlocking the device quickly and safely. Inside, the tablet includes all the essential sensors: accelerometer, gyroscope, compass, ambient light sensor, and more. What you won't find is a headphone jack. Samsung, like most modern brands, has moved onto wireless audio completely. If you're a fan of wired headphones, you'll need a dongle. For everyone else, wireless buds are the way forward. As for the feel, early reports suggest the tablet may be slightly thinner than the Tab S10 Ultra. That's impressive, given the same screen and battery size. If true, it'll make a real difference in daily use. Artists, students, and business users will find it easier to carry and hold for long periods. Samsung is expected to launch the S11 Ultra in September 2025. That timing lines up with their usual product cycle. It could appear alongside new foldables or smart watches. And launching in September means perfect timing for the holiday shopping rush. People looking for a premium tablet will have this one right at the top of their list. But this tablet isn't just about hardware, it's a sign of where Samsung wants to go. For years, Android tablets were in catch-up mode. Now, with devices like this, Samsung is aiming to lead, not follow. The Tab S11 Ultra isn't just for casual users, it's made for people who create, design, study, and build. From drawing with the S Pen, to video editing, to running demanding apps, this device seems ready to take it all on. And one more thing, AI. While we don't know all the details yet, it's clear that Samsung is putting more focus on smart features, whether it's improved photo editing, voice assistance, or predictive app actions. AI is becoming a big part of modern tech. And the Tab S11 Ultra will likely reflect that shift. So far, we've explored the first look, the build, the performance, and the experience. And it's clear, this isn't a small upgrade. Samsung is pushing hard to create the best Android tablet ever made. In the next part, we'll explore even more accessories, detailed comparisons, unique use cases, and how the S11 Ultra stacks up in the market.